Wow, they're having a game over here. Right now it's almost like 5:16. We are waiting for sunset. Here we have a game. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Wow, they're playing ball, basketball. Okay, you need to get it. Good. Wow, beautiful. Say hi, one over. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, it's coming. Wow, that's one more. Waiting for the big one. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow! Beautiful! Wow! Whoa! It's very, very deep. Right.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
light is here. The light. We just follow the light. After Bolinao, where is it? Always we don't know. We'll find out.
This we call water therapy, right? Water therapy.
So Raj, next Rose. It's all about R. We are waiting for the sunset. We are waiting for the sunset. Right now, 6:03. Maybe another 10 minutes, the sun will go down. It's going to be a fantastic day. Wow. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Well, it's going down. Right now, the sunset, the view is fantastic. Wow, big wave. Woo! Half the sun below is red, the top is yellow. It looks like a painting right now. Actually, this is a fantastic sunset, very long time. I think this year this is the first fantastic sunset.